This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Alane Legrand. This serene and peaceful country setting is the ideal location for this attractive Cape Cod style home on 10.85+ acres with a spectacular backyard view of the stocked pond. The open floor plan has 3 bedrooms, an office, and 2 full and 2 half bathrooms. It features a beautiful chef's kitchen with popular white cabinets, granite countertops, brick backsplash, eat-at bar, large center island, GE appliances and under-cabinet lighting. The living room has a vaulted ceiling and a fireplace flanked with tall windows to capture the stunning view of the manicured lawn and mature trees in the backyard. The master suite is spacious and includes a Jetta tub, marble vanity tops, and dual showerheads. There is recessed lighting throughout, a Rinnai tankless hot water heater, Class 4 impact-resistant shingled roof and a storm cellar in the garage floor. The well water includes a filtration system and water softener. Enjoy entertaining family and friends on the large backyard porch, fishing with the kids at the pond and endless hours of watching the deer grazing in the field. The 27 by 25 by 17 metal shop, on a concrete slab with a lean-to and tack room, is a wonderful man cave. This fabulous property has something for everyone. Plan your escape today. For more information, review the details below or contact Alane Legrand at 405-747-6950.